Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, today, not the greatest of days. Chart wasn't ruined, but the part that really stands out now, and I'm not saying that this is some sort of great discovery on my part. I'm assuming that most people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of this too, but the bears just keep getting stronger and stronger. How is that being illustrated? How is that being represented? Well, check out these highs. They just keep getting lower and lower and lower whenever you have downward stair-steps like this. Not at the end of the world, but definitely a sign that, maybe this thing is running out of steam and it just can't quite hold up. Plus, you had the price violate down through this green line here. So I'm going to adjust this level down to now 0.068, as that seems to be the newest area of support. And take note, whenever levels of support need to be adjusted lower, like I just did in this situation, not a great sign. So not only were there decreasing highs, so there's lower highs, but now all of a sudden I'm needing to adjust levels of support in the downwards direction. Again, not the end of the world. I'm not saying that the chart's epically, smashed, but it's those little things that if you get enough of them all in alignment, that can really start to cause some problems. So, keep an eye on that level at 0.068, as that's something where, if the price drops below there and then goes even further, well, then at that point, you almost have to just say that, this has been a failed bounce. I'm not quite willing to call this movement from here up to here a failed bounce. I still think that this is just consolidating right now. But like I said, that's only to a certain point before you just got to say, yeah, you know what, this is no longer a pullback. That's just a full-blown reversal. So I'm not going to call it a reversal, but it's time for the price to step back up and not allow the price to push down any lower. So keep your eye on, those dynamics moving forward, but mainly those lower highs. The sooner the price can at least get some sort of movement to the upside and break those lower highs would be a good step in the right direction, but we'll see how the week continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.